Getting your first sale on Redbubble is a fascinating experience. I remember when I first saw the email from Redbubble with the message, "You've made a sale." I was so excited that I started creating more and more designs to get even more sales. But I understand that a lot of people have been struggling with this. I know how frustrating it can be putting a lot of work into something and then waiting to see the results. I'm already used to it. I still have my 9-to-5 job, and in my free time, I'm creating designs, shooting videos, and writing articles and tutorials for my websites. I also know that success needs time. But we all want to see some quick results. This is why I want to show you a simple method that can help you get the first sale on Redbubble. But before we get right into the video, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe, because on this channel I like to talk all about realistic ways to making money online and really showing you my journey along the way to creating a side hustle. And I want to help you basically achieve the same levels of success that I'm achieving. So if you want to see more of that and you want to improve your online income, then you are in the right place. Let's introduce you to a powerful tool called Redbubble Popular Tags. It is a tool that scans the Redbubble marketplace and sorts every single tag by popularity and results of designs. It is updated every single Monday, and for me, this is a very helpful tool. And here is the best way you can use this amazing tool. Firstly, change the number of showing entries to the maximum. This will save you lots of time. Next, sort the tags by results from the lowest to higher. If you are a new seller on Redbubble, I would recommend you to aim only for keywords with low competition. In my opinion, all keywords below 1000 results are a great starting point. So, let's find something interesting. As you see, there are plenty of keywords that are copyrighted. Don't go this way. You don't want to get your Redbubble shop banned by creating a design with a copyrighted slogan or words. Look, I found something. When you click on the link, it will redirect you straight into the Redbubble page with these keywords. As you can see, it has under 1000 results, which is great. Another cool thing is that all the designs are very simple and you can easily create something better. Don't copy the idea, create something unique, use a better font or add interesting element to your design. But before you start creating your design, I highly recommend checking if there is any trademark. Let's go to Trademarkia.com, which is a search engine for trademarks. It is free and easy to use. Just paste the keyword here and click the search button. In just a few seconds, you will see the results. As you can see, there is no trademark for this keyword, and creating a design around it should be safe. If some phrase is copyrighted, this simple free tool should give you all the registered marks and description, where you can read what is allowed and what not. As I already mentioned, it is important to check for trademarks, because you don't want to get your account banned. It is not worth it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the NechEmpire YouTube channel.